Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am JAHANGIR'S. Today I am going to discuss about electric circuit. Electric circuit. What is electric circuit? A complete closed path through which electric current or charge can flow. A complete closed path, a complete closed path through which electric charge or current can flow. Complete closed path through which electric charge can flow. So a complete closed path through which electric current can flow is called electric circuit. Look here. This one is the symbol of a bulb. These straight line represent connecting wire, and if a battery or cell is connected with this bulb, then it is called a circuit. So to measure the current through the circuit, we need an ammeter. This one is the symbol of ammeter, and this one is the bulb. This one is the DC power supply switch. If we want to measure the voltage across the bulb, then we need a voltmeter. So this is a circuit. So remember, to measure the current, we need an ammeter. Ammeter measure current, and voltmeter measure the voltage across a component. This one is the bulb. Here it is a battery or DC power supply, and here it is a switch. Here it is a switch. So remember, there are two types of electric circuit. So electric circuit are two types. There are two types of electric circuit. One is series circuit, and a parallel circuit. Series circuit, if the circuit's components are connected in such a way that same current flowing through all the components, then it is called series circuit. On the other hand, if circuit's components are connected in such a way that the current is divided among the branch, but the voltage across each component remains same. So series circuit, circuit's components, this one is a fixed resistor. If circuit components are connected in such a way that the same current flowing through each component, so R1 and R2 are connected in series because same current flowing through all the components. So current flowing through the component remains same, but the voltage across the component are different. So current same, but the voltage across each component are different. This one is the series circuit. On the other hand, parallel circuit, if circuit components are connected in such a way that current is divided among the branch, but the voltage across the component remains same. Say these one R2 and here R1. So voltage across the component remains same. So V1 equal to V2, but the current divided, total current divided among the branch. So if total current is I, so I current divided among the branch here, but the voltage remains same. Here V1 equal to V2. And in series circuit, current is same, but the voltage, total voltage is equal to the summation of voltage of across the individual component. Thank you very much. If you like my video, subscribe my channel.